What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So this time we're going to be installing these TRD Fender Aero fins. Now these Aero fins are OEM and I just think they're going to look so cool. So it's a really small touch, but it's kind of one of the last TRD bits that I've been wanting to do to it. So it's just going to simply go on like this. It's going to be a direct replacement of the OEM one. So as you can see, it's going to fit like that. And it's going to add this pretty cool little, like Fender fin, I guess that's really what it's called, but it's a really cool aggression that you can add to the Fender, and it almost makes it look slightly wider. Now, before we go and install these, I'm actually gonna coat these using the duraslic 1500 ceramic coating. Now, it's rated for 4 years, and it's gonna actually be 3 times harder than the factory clear coat. Now, this clear coat on here is in absolutely perfect condition. It's OEM, it's brand new, so right now is the perfect time to lock it in and really seal it up with the ceramic coating. Now, because the ceramic coating has these hydrophobic and oleophobic properties, it's actually gonna be easier to clean, and it's overall just gonna make my life easier because it's gonna get harder to get scratches and rock chips on this piece. Now, I guess it's really difficult to get a rock chip when it's like right here on the car, but it's definitely gonna be harder against everything else like water spots, and just overall make my life easier knowing that I've got protection on this brand new paint. Now, since it is OEM, it uses the same exact clips as the factory one and also already comes with tape on it. So it's gonna be a really simple install. Now let's get into it. These TRD Fender Aero fins are OEM, which means they will come pre-painted. I opted for black paint because my car is black under the wrap, and also I think the black looks most sleek on any color. The paint finish here is incredible. You can't go wrong with OEM fit and finish. These are absolutely beautiful. On the backside, you'll see all of the clips and double-sided tape that hold the fin in place. The paint finish is gorgeous, but to make it look even better, we're gonna ceramic coat the fender fins in order to really lock in that new paint finish and keep it looking great for many years to come. Before we coat it, you'll want to make sure you wear gloves because these chemicals are no joke. I'm starting off by wiping the fin down with a prep solvent. This is to remove any oils and waxes that could be on the paint. A little goes a long way, so go ahead and apply this. Duraslic is the easiest and most forgiving ceramic coating to apply. I'm rubbing the applicator all over the paint. You'll notice it starts to rainbow after about 30 seconds. When you see this, it's ready to remove. Now let's begin to remove the stock Fender Aero fins. I'm starting off by taping the edges so I don't scratch the surrounding area. There are a few methods to remove the old fin. You can choose to use fishing line or dental floss and cut away at the old double-sided tape, or even use a plastic squeegee to slowly remove it. Either way works, but play it safe so you don't scratch anything. If you're using a plastic card and have the surrounding area taped off, you'll be good to go. Once you're ready, pop it off. Don't be afraid. It can really feel like you're gonna break it, but you aren't. Before applying the new fin, clean off the area well, as there will be a bunch of dirt trapped in here. Remove the backing off the new double-sided tape and simply press the new fin into place. It's super simple. Now check that out. It looks so good, and the install wasn't too difficult either. I'm very happy with the finished results. If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more just like it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.